Another year has passed, and yet all the dreams we had for 2023 are still nowhere close to being realized. In fact, it feels so distant that you surely find yourself wondering if it is even written in your fate. Is it anything you'll ever see and experience in life? Or was it only a dream to be forgotten the next day? Another year has been taken from your life, and nothing much has changed. I want to give both you and me hope. And the biggest hope is that we're still breathing. Another year is ahead of us, and that means an opportunity is presented to us to reflect and start again. But this year will not be the same. Things must change because the same things that did not work last year will not work for this year as well. Since college, I've had a strong desire to make a lot of money, and the only way it seemed possible was to do something with social media. And being a YouTuber was all the rage back then. So, with that mindset, I had started 3 channels, all of which flopped miserably. And when I started my current channel, I had high hopes that I would go really far because I thought beauty niche was really profitable. It offered me the possibility of living a luxurious lifestyle, attending events, receiving free PRs from brands. No one would say no to that. Anyway, when my videos did not perform, I felt absolutely frustrated and unfair because people less capable than me were gaining more momentum, and I was just sitting there blaming my luck. As a failed YouTuber, I naturally began to look for other means or ways to earn X amount of money each month. And after a year of hard work, when I saw it coming in my career through a job, I completely gave up on my channel. I thought I never have to bother again about social media, right? Because I'm earning. I believed that this money would be more than enough, and I could not be happier back then. But here's the irony, I am not happy. Now, before I tell you where I'm getting at with my story, I want you to answer this to yourself. If this was the situation with you, and think deeply and answer, if what you're doing currently on the platforms, be it YouTube, be it Instagram, if you got paid for it without doing anything, would you still continue? Would you simply share your idea or your skill just for the fun of it? Are you passionate about the topic or the subject of your account or profile and could go on about it? This is a little self reflection, and if your response is no, then you may want to reconsider what you want to share with the world. With my channels, I was only concerned with making money. I was looking to create videos on anything that would click with audience, and I had thought that once that click happened, I would continue making videos about that topic and keep gaining more subscribers. But of course, I didn't realize one thing at that point is that I wasn't passionate about any of those topics. I'm not nearly successful on social media, but I do know that you cannot be successful in something you don't enjoy. Success is a long road, it's not a one day event. It might even take years before you see that goal or dream coming to life. So, the first step is ensuring that we pick a content subject that allows us to put in consistent work because we enjoy it anyway, right? We'll keep continuing and having fun. Only then we can think about success. Second learning that I want to share with you with respect to my story is that you might want to discover your purpose. Now, this is so critical, but we fail to give it importance. This is because it is the most difficult thing to ever discover about oneself. With so many past experiences, memories, mountains of information, society pressure, and all the diversions all around us confuses our brain. It's even difficult to imagine what our real self might be like, let alone discovering the purpose of your life. Finding and fulfilling that purpose is what brings true happiness and peace of mind. That realization of what you are meant to do and really achieving it is, in my opinion, the most amazing thing to experience, which most of us don't even know we should be looking for and simply just walk through life. And this is why I'm still unhappy, even though I have reached a financial state in my life that I had desired for a long time. I have realized that only earning money cannot be a real purpose. Sure, it looks like that you want money, but no, not having money is not the problem. There is a need or a reason at subconscious levels that can be only fulfilled by having a lot of money. And I'm not talking about a minimum need here where you have to meet your daily expenses. So the real purpose lies in the answer to finding your why you want to be here. It's not like I don't like makeup. I like it very much, in fact, just as I like drawing, watching movies, going on trips. I'm sure everybody likes all these things. Anyway, it's not my life's purpose. Only doing makeup tutorials does not drive me every day. It's not going to help me achieve the purpose that I think I have discovered about myself. There are so many things I want to share other than transformations, but not to worry, makeup will still be a part of my channel, but not the only thing. I am upgrading my channel to include self-improvement, grooming, productivity topics because I love talking about these and doing things in my daily life. I believe that in order to truly get expressed, you must not only work on the outside but also on the inside. The person that you are, you should work on that. And my life's purpose is closely related to this. To be honest, it's still unclear and hazy to me what my life purpose is, but I'm hoping that as time passes, I'll be able to see it more clearly, provided I should never stop looking for it. Almost every successful leader that I've closely followed on social media have given this advice to chase life's purpose, so I'm going to stick to this advice. The last thing that I want to share from my life experience is you have to express yourself. Now you might be thinking, duh, we already know that. But do we really? Do we really understand it? I don't think so. Almost every YouTube channel begins with the cliche intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And it finishes with the farewell line. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And the topics even are very repetitive, and the way they are presented, that is also very repetitive. It almost feels like it's a copied content. I have seen the same thing played in thousands of videos, and I am guilty of it as well. I won't say I didn't do this, but I am done doing this. There is no sign of individuality from the beginning to the end of the video, and I want to give an example related with a beauty influencer, since that is the topic of my channel. What is wrong with today's wannabe beauty influencers is that they do the same thing. They start their video with the usual chant and show some nakhres like this, whatever. We have seen a ton of it on social media. And then they show how they use their brush, foundation, powder, and etc. And it's not like they're doing something absolutely unique that has never been seen before. There are millions of other videos that show you the use of all these things in the exact same way. And the same is true for other channels as well. So what difference does it make? Your originality is the only unique experience that you can bring to your videos and stand out from the crowd. Your originality is your life background, experiences, the way you think, believe, and how you present your ideas. Don't let it die behind the usual opening that millions of other people are already doing. Express more of yourself on your profile. Let your viewers get a sense of who you are, and if they like your personality, they will stick around. All of this is based on my observation as a viewer and also research. Most people I follow on YouTube or other social media platforms is because of not what they do, but who they are. That's what attracts me to them. I might have come looking for a solution to a problem or some information on their content, but I stayed because I liked something about them, which I was aware or not, doesn't matter. I stayed. Maybe I am attracted to that person, or maybe I like the way they speak, or I like the way how their videos present ideas. It could be anything. You may understand it or not, but you will see the same happening to you as well. Think about the top 3 people that you follow on social media and understand what is it about them that makes you want to follow them. So to sum it up, these are the 3 actions I'm going to take for my channel, especially for the growth of my channel in 2024. First, I'm going to share and talk about the things that I'm most passionate about and enjoy making piece of that content. And it's going to be about beauty and self-improvement. Second, I'm going to keep looking for my purpose. But for now, I am going to make content that aligns with my purpose. Remember, you fulfill your life's purpose only by doing things that you like. Only then your journey is enjoyable and it's not about success anymore. And lastly, I am going to be more expressive on my channel and bring out my individuality in videos to come. I hope this was helpful. I am going to stick to these guidelines for 2024. Keep working and hoping for the best. And if it doesn't work, that's perfectly okay. I'm sure we will find new ways to keep improving. The important thing is that we continue to experiment. Bye-bye.